Welcome to Neural Chatter, everyone. I'm Nova.
And I'm Leo. And wow, do we have something truly mind-blowing for you today? Like seriously, get ready to have your perceptions of, well, writing totally shifted.
Absolutely. We're talking about AI that can, get this, replicate your exact handwriting just from your voice. It's pretty wild.
Yeah, it's not just about typing anymore, is it? This innovative tech, it's really bridging this fascinating gap between, digital efficiency and personal expression. It's pretty cool stuff.
All right, so let's just jump right into the core concept here. Leo, imagine this. You speak a sentence out loud, right? Just talk naturally into a microphone,
Uh-huh.
and seconds, it appears on a screen or even on a digital page in your exact unique handwriting with all your curves, your quirks, everything.
Whoa. Hold on, that's not just a fancy font, right? That's like truly replicating my handwriting because my handwriting, it's a bit chaotic sometimes.
No, it's not a font at all. That's the mind-blowing part. It's truly your style. And what's even more incredible is that this isn't like some massive tech giant behind it. This groundbreaking reality, this thing that truly feels like science fiction, it was created by a young engineer from Kerala, India.
Wow, that's incredible. So one person out of Kerala just created something that's now, capturing global attention? That's astounding.
Exactly. Technologists, educators, accessibility advocates, everyone is buzzing about this. It's not just a cool trick. It has some serious implications.
Okay, so you've totally hooked me. This sounds amazing, but how? How does this magic actually happen? What's the core process behind it?
Yeah, it's pretty neat, actually. At its core, it's pretty simple to understand. So first off, it uses speech-to-text AI, right, to accurately transcribe whatever you're saying.
Mm-hmm.
But then, instead of just spitting out, generic type text like we're used to, it applies a trained handwriting model that's totally customized to your personal writing style.
So it learns your penmanship, essentially. That's wild. How does it even do that? Do I have to write an entire novel for it?
No, not a novel, thankfully. So there's a clear three-step process for it. First, you record samples. You just provide a few pages of your actual handwriting for the AI to study. That's how it learns your unique style.
Oh, okay. So it's not just guessing. It actually has data from me.
Exactly. Then step 2 is the voice input. You just speak naturally into the microphone. No need to slow down or enunciate awkwardly or anything like that. Just talk.
And then the AI just boom.
Yeah, then boom. The third step is handwriting synthesis. The AI instantly, and I mean instantly, writes your sentence in your style. And get this, it even includes natural imperfections to make it super authentic. So it looks like you actually wrote it.
Whoa. That's truly incredible. It's not just about getting the letters right. It's about the little quirks that make it feel human. That's genius.
Exactly, and that's what makes it a total game changer. Think about students dictating lecture notes, appearing in their handwriting for submission. No more cramped hands.
Oh my gosh, that would have saved me. But what about accessibility?
Huge for people with mobility challenges. They could literally write letters or journals without physically holding a pen. Incredible liberation.
Wow, and creators?
They could merge speech, AI, and personal handwriting for unique digital or printed works. Dialogue in a graphic novel in the author's actual handwriting just from speaking it.
That's cool. But the preservation aspect really got me.
Oh, me too. This is profound. Even after someone passes away, their handwriting style could theoretically live on, powered by AI. Imagine receiving a letter from a loved one in their handwriting years later.
That gives me goosebumps. So it's not just convenience, it's preserving a piece of someone or enabling tasks. Definitely a game changer.
You know, Leo, this all sounds amazing, but my mind immediately jumps to the potential downsides. Like, if AI can replicate anyone's handwriting, couldn't it, like, be used for fraud or, like, signing documents?
Oh, absolutely. That's that's the first thing my cynical brain went to as well, Nova. The source material actually brings up those crucial questions, right? Like, could forged handwriting be used for fraud? And how should consent for handwriting modeling be managed? Those are like really important ethical considerations.
Right? Because this isn't just a fun novelty. It has real-world implications. What about authenticity in legal or academic settings? If an essay is submitted in a student's handwriting but was dictated, is it really theirs? It gets kind of murky.
Totally murky. But moving from the murky to the, dare I say, exciting future, the engineer behind this from Kerala, India, he's actually reportedly working on making this tool open source.
Oh, that's huge.
Yeah, if that happens, imagine the possibilities. Developers worldwide could just adapt it for their needs. We could see AI handwriting from speech integrated into, well, everything.
Like classroom learning tools, obviously, notes, assignments.
Exactly. And personal productivity apps. Imagine just speaking your to-do list, and it appears in your own scrawl right there.
Or, for digital art platforms, creators could use their own handwriting in their digital designs, merging that personal touch.
And critically, back to assistive devices, right? Making it even more seamless for people with disabilities to interact with technology and express themselves. It's not just a niche thing. It could be everywhere. When you think about it, we've all gotten so used to typed text, right? It's clean, consistent, but a little soulless, isn't it?
Yeah, it really is. And handwriting, on the other hand, it's so intimate. It carries, like, personality, emotion. It's truly a part of you.
Exactly. So this invention, it's not just about, convenience or efficiency. It's about bridging that gap between cold digital efficiency and, warm personal expression. It's preserving the human essence,
Totally. And one early tester really put it beautifully. They said, it felt like I was hearing my own voice, but reading it in my own handwriting. It's like a conversation with myself across mediums. That's wow.
So I guess whether you see this as, a huge productivity booster or maybe an artistic tool or even just a nostalgic bridge connecting the past and the future.
Yeah. I think one thing is definitely clear after this conversation, and that is the pen might still be mightier than the sword, but now the microphone just might be mightier than the pen.
Love it. What a way to put that, Leo. And that's all the time we have for this episode of Neural Chatter.
Thanks so much for tuning in, everyone. We'll catch you next time.